Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try something a little bit different. I've never flocked anything. And so this weekend I was playing around with joinery and decided to try my hand at a double box joint. And this was, just for practice, but it turned out really cute. And so I thought I might as well make this into maybe a cute pencil holder. So I decided, since it's already a little dressy looking, I might as well dress it up by flocking the inside. So again, I've never done this, so we're just going to see how it goes. I figured a fan and filter, probably a good idea. I'm going to wear a high quality mask because this stuff seems really messy. This is the fiber, so I just got this little kit. Came with the mini flocker, fibers, glue, and a brush. I think I'm just going to use my own little brush though. So we're just going to give this a try and see how it turns out.